Hi guys, my name is Rosa.
And my name is Sharee.
And we are here with the Explorer Educator Exchange Program with National Geographic. And we are today at Yellowstone boiling waters so that we can carry out a scientific exploration trip with a 4th grade classroom.
So 4th grade class that I work with have been learning from Rosa since January, and they've been Zooming with Rosa, getting to know her work with extremophiles, replicating that in our own local river. But today we're going to surprise them. They don't know that Rosa is here in Yellowstone. So the students will be coming today and getting off the bus. Rosa will be here, and we'll get to replicate a lot of the work that she does in the Peruvian Amazon on the Boiling River right here in the
We're going to be scouting for the traces that indicate that animals were present, different plants were present, and especially extreme forms of bacteria that we call extremophiles. So they're going to get a whole range of being able to be scientists, artists, cartographers, and just playing all the roles all together here today.
So we're so grateful to National Geographic for bringing us together and for helping us and inspire students.
And also we have an amazing team here.
I'm Ryan Sargent. I'm a chemistry professor at BYU, Idaho. I'm from here.
I'm Joe Ash. I'm from Malaysia. I'm a chemistry student at BYU, Idaho.
You guys?
I'm Amanda. I'm from Minnesota and I'm a biochemistry student at BYU, Idaho.
I'm Camille Victor, and I'm a biochemistry student too, but I'm from Haiti.
And this is my husband, Tyler, and he's definitely me.
I'm with her.
My favorite naturalist.
Helping us with guiding the kids' experience, and then we also have an amazing production team right behind us with the cameras and the photos. So thank you everybody, and we're just excited to get started.
Okay, I just want to introduce you to one of our special helpers today. This is Paige. And Paige was one of my 4th graders 8 years ago. And now today she is anxiously going off to college this fall to study
Environmental studies.
And we're excited to have her here with us today. It's kind of coming full circle.
I'm trying to hide away from the kids, but a bison came up. So this is right on the field, having to adapt.
Nothing to worry about. And now I want you to open your eyes.
Hi guys.
Look who's here!
Yeah. I'm Rosa. Hi everyone.
Rosa Vasquez!
I know, I just came up, I was hiding by the bison. You guys can hug me, it's fine. Yeah. So happy to see you. It's so good to meet you. Okay. So we're gonna recreate a National Geographic expedition today with you guys. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yellowstone!
So whenever we look at nature, right now the obvious things we're looking at are the steam that is coming basically aggressively, right, from the hot water. And you can see the really beautiful blue colors that you have there. The water is basically crystalline. Now, do you think anything can survive here? Do you think life can survive in these hot temperatures? Yes? But these plants are so strong that they are fine staying there. So if you notice, they're only in certain spots though. And that actually tells us that they have adapted in a very unique area compared to other, like we don't see plants right around below us, for example, only there. And these plants usually have that ability to live at these hot temperatures because they have a special type of fungus living at their roots. So fungus and plants. The fungus help the plant live in the hot temperatures, and as an exchange, as a thank you, the plants give nutrients such as sugars to the fungus. So they need each other to live, otherwise they couldn't sustain these hot temperatures. So those orange are actually bacterial mats, which basically means it's a big bacterial community that has grown so much that we can see with our naked eyes. That means without a microscope. These orange-like bacteria are actually similar to carrots. You know why? Because they're producing some chemistry that looks like this orange color that helps protect from the bright sun. All the different colors you see here associated with different type of microbial life. Vegetation, very unique to a certain area. The color of the water is so hot that the water is basically quote-unquote pure, and you can see below, correct? Oh, Oh, I'm lucky that I got you guys. Here you can see almost the shapes are a bit more pronounced. Do you see that? Like the borders, right? What does that remind you of? But yeah, like contours, like a map. I love that, yeah. It reminds you of a map. So to me, when I think of that, for example, yes, there's definitely different kinds of microorganisms, but there must be something else that helps the orange and white ones just live on that very specific shape area, like that area, versus the ones over here. Exactly. It could perhaps also be the different nutrients and minerals that are in the soil that are just fitting those that prefer to be on that spot versus the ones that are over here, right? So just many things to consider whenever we're looking around. And we know that the orange refers to these cyanobacteria, right? That it's, and the blue, exactly, the blue is the hot springs of the hot water. So this tells me, for example, that if you could notice clear, like if you focus around the water, the orange gets a little bit darker. And then as you come away from the water, it gets a little bit brighter. Do you guys see that? Right around the water, we have like a darker orange, and then it gets brighter as we move along. So perhaps there's more of these cyanobacteria around the water, because not only does it have the sun, rays, but it also has the water, so it gets more nutrients. This is different things to consider, right?
I'm ashamed! I got some.
Genus and species and things like this.
Oh, that one's coming
This is
out.
called the family. So the family is for caddisflies. Anyway, so that's what a caddisfly is.
Some pine needles.
Okay, tell me more about the pine needle. 200 and 1,000. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
They're so teeny tiny that they can exist all together in a very small spot.
Try the really blue one. Like the really blue one. Bananitos. And they aren't bananas.
Look at this. That one. What's that?
It looks more like elk to me.
Is it elk scat?
Yeah, where's the elk?
Elk.
Yeah.
Trophic cascade.
You guys think that the microbes are important to have some animals live here or not?
Yes.
Why?
I see. That's the microbes in this. I found lichen.
Okay, where do you find lichen?
Oh, there's lichen.
Okay. How many kinds of lichen do you guys see?
That's gross.
Can you guess what this is?
Algae? Moss.
Okay. The boiling river of the Peruvian Amazon.
Ooh!
These are actually some of the extremophiles, cyanobacteria that can grow. I guess at what temperature it can grow. As this sample around you, you're gonna get your glass, your plastic pipette. You're gonna grab a teeny tiny, you see? And then you're gonna put it on your slide. I just want one drop, like that. And then you're gonna get your cover, and then you're gonna put it on top, okay?
Yeah, you're gonna put them over your slide.
Excellent. Now put your cover up. This. Make sure you don't put your finger in the middle. You got it. You got a bunch. Yeah, perfect. There. What? Excellent. Yeah, that's fine. That's excellent. Perfect. Now you just one drop, just softly. Got it. Just a tiny bit. Perfect. Excellent. And a little bit more than that. Okay, perfect. I think that should be fine. To be honest, you'll look up.
No, like there's something blurry.
I'll have you guys take a look at these. Here. You see something? Here.
What did you say?
And so these are the bugs that live in the water. And the bugs like to live underneath those rocks. Most of the ones that we're looking at are herbivores. Do you guys know what herbivores are?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we want to do is to make it easier for you guys to find them, we're going to try to get all of them down just into the bottom of the net. As they get into the water,
There's one right there. that is an appropriate reaction.
I expected like that size.
see
He's tiny. Yeah, are they dead? Give it a little bit. They're kind of in shock right now. So once they get settled, they'll start moving around.
We got it all.